floor of my pantry because it is a hot mess. I found something old that had all kind of gnats. I don't know what it was. It had to get thrown out. And then I just started picking up everything off, and look at all this stuff all on this floor. Yeah. Everything gotta get all cleaned up in here. Look at all this. All behind the door. Has to get all clean. All behind the door. Clean off the door. Needs to get clean, because, yeah. Yeah. Alrighty. Let's get this clean. Alrighty. Looking some good pantry now. Well, the bags are under there. More in order instead of just being all over the place. My hot sauces, ketchup, barbecue sauces. This is my recycling cans going that one. Plastic bottles going there. That's the door. All the vinegars are in order now. Soups and noodles. What are you talking about? Oh my goodness. I am explaining what's in here. They can't hear that really. Okay. Alrighty, my daughter says I'm gonna get copyrighted because Mickey Mouse is in the background. Alrighty, you guys. But this is the final result of the pantry. It is all nice and clean. It smells so good. I'm glad I found whatever it was that had those little gnats all running about and flying about. But it's lessened up a lot. I don't know, they're just in and out. But I've used like eucalyptus. I need to use some peppermint oil. I know they don't like that. But this is it. This is the cleaned out